Good afternoon. I'm Max Lester Anderson from Group 2 of COE119L-E01. We will now present our DOE or Design of Experiment. It involves SHR function, interrupt 10H, 16H, and file operation. So, our sample code came from University of Gaza. This one involves the SHR function. The SHR function was used to compute for the GCD or greatest common divisor of two positive numbers. This one. So this is the sample code. And now I will show you our program code. So for the program, we'll start with the show title. Wait, I will run it side by side. So this one involves interrupt 10H, 16H file streaming. So for the first part of the show title, it sets the video mode of the screen. This one, so it was changed. Then after setting the video mode, the file operation is next. So here, the file operation reopens the file, then reads the text from the text file, then it closes. After it closes, it changes the color of the text from white to green. So this is the part of the changing of the color. So after that, it will jump to end title. The end title will call the press key. So for the press key, it involves the interrupt 10H and 16H. For the interrupt 10H, it was used to change the color of the text to pink. Then, after the changing of color, the interrupt 16H, it was used to check for the keyboard. If the keyboard key is pressed correctly, which is enter, it will proceed to the next part. So if not, it will loop again. So it will continue looping. So as of now, I'm pressing any key. Then I will press the enter key. So it proceeds to the conversion.
Hello guys, I'm Arvin Ian Aronce of Group 2. For the conversion of GCD, it will jump to call print. The call print is defined, so it will use the SHR, then it will call the hex to ASCII. The hex to ASCII function is the one who checks if the number was used from the values 0 to 9 or A to F, so after that, it will return. The print string buffer 5, it was used to check or display the GCD hex and GCD. After that, the next part would be the calling write result.
Hi, I'm Aaron Jason B. De Jos, here to discuss calling the write result function of our DOE. So the write result involves writing data to a text file. So in this case, that is answer.txt, which can be found here. So as you can see, the greatest common divisor for the hex is 1, which is reflected in here. And the greatest common divisor for the BCD is also 1, which is here. So after computing the inputs, the program will request the user to press enter. And by pressing enter, that concludes our design of experiment, which includes SHR function, interrupt 10H, 16H, and file operations. Thank you.